Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we learned how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 135 degrees angle. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 150 degrees angle. Let's start. We have a question here. It says that using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a 150 degrees angle at O. So we have the line AB here, and this is point O, which falls on the line AB. We are going to construct a 150 degrees angle at point O. 150 degrees is equal to 120 degrees plus 30 degrees. So to get a 150 degrees angle, we will first construct a 130 degrees angle. Then we will bisect the remaining 60 degrees to get the 30 degrees. 30 degrees plus 120 degrees will give us 150 degrees. To help us understand this clearly, let's consider the sketch. Let's say that this is the line and this is point O. With point O as the center, we draw this semicircle. Let's call this point point A and this point point B. Using the radius we used to draw the semicircle, we stand at point B and construct an arc here to intersect the semicircle. Let's call this point point C. Using the same radius, we stand at point A and we construct an arc to intersect the semicircle here. Let's call this one point D. From the previous videos, we have learned that the angle between point C and point B is 60 degrees. The angle between point C and point D is 60 degrees. And the angle between point D and point A is also 60 degrees. So if we draw a straight line through point D and O, the angle formed here, that is angle DOB, will be 120 degrees. We know that the angle between point D and point A is 60 degrees. So if we bisect that angle, then it means that the angle here will be 30 degrees. Now let's call this point point E. If the angle here is 30 degrees, then angle EOB will be equal to 30 degrees plus 120 degrees, which will give us 150 degrees. So this is how to construct a 150 degrees angle. You first construct the 120 degrees angle, then after that you bisect the remaining 60 degrees to get the 30 degrees angle. 30 degrees plus 120 degrees will give us 150 degrees. Now that we know how to go about it, let's do the actual construction. We have the straight line here, line AB, and this is point O, which falls on line AB. We are going to construct a 150 degrees angle at point O. So to do that, we will take the compass and put the needle of the compass on point O. We open the compass to a reasonable radius, turn it, and construct a semicircle on the line AB using O as the center. So we have constructed the semicircle on the line AB using O as the center. Now, after this, we want a 120 degrees angle. So we will move the needle of the compass from point O to this point. Then we will turn the compass and construct an arc to intersect the semicircle. Now, from the previous videos, we have learned that the angle between this point and this point is 120 degrees, and the angle between this point and this point is 60 degrees. So we are going to bisect the angle between this point and this point to get the 30 degrees so that we can add it to the 120 degrees to get the 150 degrees. So we are going to bisect the angle between this point and this point. To do that, you take the needle of the compass, then you put it on this point. you adjust the compass a little bit, then you turn it and construct an arc here. After that, with the same radius, you move the needle of the compass to this point. Then you turn it and construct an arc to intersect the first arc that you constructed. We are done with the compass, so I'm going to take the compass off. After that, I will clean the excess parts of the arc. So I'll clean them so that you see it very clearly. We have this point here, which is the point of intersection of the two arcs, and point O here. We are going to draw a straight line to join them. So using your ruler and your pencil, you draw a straight line to join the 2 points. Draw a straight line to join them, as I have done here. Now, let's call this point here point C. We know that the angle between this point and this point is 120 degrees. The angle between this point and this point is 30 degrees. So if this point is point C, then we can say that angle COB is equal to 150 degrees, which is the 30 degrees plus the 120 degrees. So angle COB is equal to 150 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to learn how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 75 degrees angle. Bye bye.